What, miss?
Did you ever hear about ratio? What is it?
Miss, I can't hear your voice. It's like lagging or
Yes, Mateen?
your voice.
My voice is lacking.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. I'll just connect it to some other connection. And now it will be okay. I'm asking you, what about ratios? What do you know about the word ratio? Did you
I
think
think
about that?
it's like the proportion or the rate.
Yeah, you can say percent and rate. You can relate with percent and rate. Okay, you can relate it to percent and rate. Now here, the drawing shows 5 blue squares. You remember how you used to do fractions? Like example, if I say the same thing to write in fraction, you will tell me it is 4 is to 4 over 5. Am I correct? That is, if I ask you red, you will say 1 over 6, sorry, not 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The denominator in the total is the denominator. And the asked, what did they ask you? That is the numerator. Like example, if I ask you, tell me about red squares, you will say me 1 over 6. Am I correct? You will say me 1 over 6. If I ask you about blue squares, you will say me 5 over 6. So same thing, 5 over 6 or 1 over 1 minute. Let me just
I miss.
I'll write this and show you. Give me a second. Oh. Here you like example. Like example girls here. About red square, how much is it? Tell me about red square, how much is it? Yes?
One.
Okay. It is 1 over how many? 6. And how about blue square? It is 5 over 6, right? So when I compare, the denominators are same. When I compare, can I say this is the ratio of 5 to 1 can be written as 5 is to 1. The ratio is 5 is to 1 or 1 is to 5. So it is a comparison between two quantities by division. If I divide this 1 over 6 divided by 5 over 6, what do you think? The division becomes multiplication. And the answer is 1 is to 5. Correct?
Yeah.
Or 5 is to 1 if you go the other way. If you divide 5 over 6 divided by 1 over 6. So this is called a ratio when you compare the quantities. It is called ratio when you compare the quantities. You understood the concept of ratio?
Yeah.
Right. Did Malak join us?
Yeah, miss.
Okay. Malak, can you read the first one? Julie make 3 bracelets for every. Come on.
Julie makes 3 bracelets for everyone. One bracelet Beth makes use ratios to compare the number of bracelets Julia makes to the number Beth makes. Use red and yellow counters to model the ratio that compares the number of the bracelets Julia makes to the number of bracelets Beth makes.
So here they are counters given to you, and with those counters you are comparing the number of see, the first name is Julie and the second name is Beth, and they say red and yellow. So for red I am comparing with Julie, and for Beth is yellow. So Julie makes how many? If I say red is for Julie and yellow is for Beth, so tell me girls, how much is for Julie makes how many?
Julie makes one, two,
One second.
3.
Yes, red and yellow. Julie and Beth. So Julie for red and Beth for yellow. So very good, Malak. Julie makes
3.
3 and Beth makes 1. So what is the ratio? It's 3:1.
1.
Model that ratio that show the number of bracelets Julie makes when Beth makes. Okay, if it's 3:1, so how much will be for if it's 2:2? See, for every 1 bracelet, Julie has more 2 bracelets. So she have 2. If she has 2 here, so here plus 2, because see, plus 1 and plus 2. So if I plus 3 to 2, it will give you 5. Did you get this or not?
Yeah.
1 second, girls. Better. For 2 bracelets, I will multiply with 2 and I'll multiply with 2. This is very easy, girls, for you all to understand. Vateen and Malak, see very carefully. If they're asking for 1 bracelet, 3, like see it is like this. For 1 bracelet, 3. So for 2 bracelets, how much? You know that you need to multiply this. 1 times 2 and 3 times 2. So it will be 6:2. What it will be? It will be 6:2.
Over 2.
6:2. Don't say over. Say is to, because it's 6:2. Now, whatever I write, please write down here. Did you understand how did I get 6:2? Batin, did you understand?
Yeah.
Please write down. 6:2. What did you do? I added. The question is asked. How do you get that? Write the ratio and explain how you model it. How did you model it? I added another group with red with 3 red counters and 1 yellow counter. For before there was 1, now it's 6:2. So means you will add 1 yellow counter, 3 more red counter. This is your answer.
Miss, I'm done. Done, Miss.
Okay, girls. Instead of this, if it becomes 3 counters, that means 1 times 3. If this becomes 3 counters, like if this is 1 times 3, 3 counters. So don't you think so? This you will multiply with 3. So you will have 9:3. Correct?
Yeah.
You have 3 here, so you have to have 9 here. Anyways, question C, just put a cross mark. Question C, just put a cross mark, girls.
Okay, miss.
And here, come to page number. What happened to this? Why is it coming? Come to make the next page. You can use that table. Leave, draw conclusions. Come on, tell me. A bakery uses one packing box for every 4 muffins. One box for every 4. Draw a model and take a table to show. See, please draw here and show me a box and 4 muffins. You have a space at the right. We will draw here. We'll draw 1 minute. I'll draw here for 1 box. I take 1 box and how many muffins? How many muffins they are saying? In 1 box, I take box for
They have 1 box, but
muffins.
4 muffins.
For 4 muffins, I take 1 box. So they say draw a model. This is the model. Okay, I've drawn a model. Now, I'll write here. There is 1 box for every 4 muffins, right? There is
Yeah.
every 4 muffin. So what is the ratio?
Yeah,
1 is to 4.
4.
Please write it down with me.
Okay.
Now, step 2, girls. Did you finish writing step 1?
Yeah, miss.
You draw?
Yeah, I drew the model.
Okay, so this is your step 1. Now, coming to step 2. Complete the table. See the number of boxes for every 1 box.
Yeah,
So, for 2 box, you have 8. For 3 box, you have?
8.
You understand? You will multiply by 4 every...
12.
Yes, every time you will multiply by 4. For 4 boxes, you...
This I don't understand.
16.
Who don't understand this one?
Me watching.
Who's this?
Me.
See, there are 2 ways, my dear. You went to a shop. In 1 box, there were 4 muffins inside. So what do you think? Boxes you will add more 4, right?
Yeah.
In the 3rd box, you have
8.
no. Listen to me. That's what. Don't be confused. The first box had 4. See, the first box have 1, 2, 3, 4. So second box, if I count the first and the second box, how many muffins are there now? Total there are 8, right?
8.
Yeah.
Yeah.
2 boxes there are 8.
When it's 3.
In 3 boxes, how many are there?
12.
12.
In 4 boxes,
16.
every time it is plus 4. Am I correct? Every time it is?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or even you can say it is times 3. It's times 3. Sorry, times 4, not plus 4. Times 4, not 3.
Miss, but also if you plus it, it's going to be.
It's okay. But see, big numbers, it's difficult, you know. Like, remember that division question? Wait a minute. Like, 1 box, 4 muffins.
Miss?
So 9 boxes, how much? You just have to multiply. You understood, Vateen, now?
Yeah.
One box has 4 muffins. 9 boxes has how much? You will multiply. That's it. This you will always divide. Actually, 1 divided 4, you'll get 4. And this you're gonna multiply. 4 times 9. Simple if I ask you. Simple. See, this concept, if you know from now, grade 6, you will have grade 7, you will enjoy loving math. You'll enjoy doing math. If I say 7 chocolates, or let us do with 1 Galaxy chocolate, 1 Galaxy box, cost me 20 riyals. So if I buy 7, it cost me how much? You will multiply. That is 140 riyal. Do you think to add every time it's so easy or multiply is easy? Tell me what.
No, it's better to multiply.
Yes. See, Wateen. One box had 4 muffin. So 4 bags have how much? 14, 16. You'll just write here 16. Got it? Yeah.
Yeah, miss.
The number is easy. That's why it's very easy to add also. Like I write here 8 and I write here 12. I write here 16. Directly, if suppose instead of 4, they ask you 12. It's very difficult for you to plus times. Better you do 12 times 4. Anyways. Finished writing all of this?
Yeah, miss.
So each time the number of box increases by 1, the number of muffins increases by
Muffin. And the boxes.
the 2 boxes. 8.
8.
2 is to 8 because they ask you ratio. Ratio of boxes to muffin means 2 boxes. You'll write boxes first because they said boxes to muffin. This 2 big and muffins is 8.
So 4 to 16 and 3
4 is to 16. We can say that. Okay. So write another ratio shown in the table. What is the another ratio shown in table? 3 is to 12. You can write 3 is to 12. Now, did you understand, Vati?
Yeah, miss.
There are 12 muffins. Or sorry, there are 3 boxes. Once again, there are first 3 boxes for every 12 muffins. There are 3 boxes for every 12 muffins. Understood?
Understood, miss.
It's simple. Can I clear this and go to next page?
Yeah, miss.
We just have 5 minutes, but don't worry, we will finish the lesson. It's a very simple lesson. It's like
Yeah. Super easy.
great. Go to next page and start doing this. Yellow counters. What will you write here? Yellow to red counters. Vateen, first yellow, then to red. What will I write?
You're right, miss. In the red 2 and in the yellow 1.
So they ask you yellow to red. So yellow means
1 to 2.
1 to 2. Very good. Come on, Lean, tell me the next one. Yellow to red.
It's wait.
Come on.
It's
Yellow.
5.
How much is
It's
how many?
5.
5 is to 5 is to
3.
very good, excellent.
3.
Come on, draw this quickly, girls. 3 to 2. You can draw squares and counters. Come on, 3 is to 2. Let me draw 3 squares, 2 counters.
2 counters.
And 1 is to 5. Again, let me draw
1 and 5.
1 square. And then,
5,
how many counters?
5 circles.
5 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm sorry about my shapes because it's not easy for me to draw from them.
No, miss, it's okay.
Actually, they have to be same. They have to be all counters. Done? Can I go to next question?
Yeah, miss, I'm done.
Others, Lean and Wateen, are you done?
Yeah, miss.
Thank you, girls.
Yeah.
Right. Let us go further. Use the ratio to complete the table. Come on. Again, 1, 2, 3. See, best thing, what did I say you? Go with this way. 6. For 2, it is how much?
12.
2, 12.
For 3, 18.
18.
For 4, 4 times 6. Just change this number.
24. 24.
1.
So you are saying this is the timetable of 6. So you write plus 6. Am I correct? Nothing but this is plus 6 or times 6. Here,
16.
for 1 it is 8. For 2 it will be, for 1 if it is 8. For 2 it will be how much?
16.
16. For 3 it is 24. For 4 it is?
32.
Very good. It's nothing but plus 8. That is timetable of 8. We have 2 more minutes. We can do quickly by our own. Can I clear this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then add 4 cups of flour for every 3 cups of sugar.
Sugar.
That is draw first. That is draw first.
4 cups and 3
4 cups. Okay. How many cups total are there? First, total, how many cups are there? 1,
4 to 3. That means 1, 2,
4,
8.
5, 6, 7. You have to draw and show these are 7 cups. In that, how many cups?
4 are flour, 3 are sugar.
Okay. So 1 and 4 are 1. 2. Guys, wait a second. I'll just erase this. 4 are flour, and in that 3 are 1, 2, 3. Okay, now 4 are flour and 3 are sugar. So this shows the difference. That is 4:3. We don't need to write 4:3. Only this much is enough. I have 1 more minute for the lesson to end. We'll quickly finish what you call as on your own. Is this done?
1 minute, miss. I just have to color the 4.
Just shade it, do the coloring later. Keep it for,
Oh, okay.
okay, this one, which question should I do? I will just choose one question and give it. Okay, we don't have
Mix.
on your own for this lesson.
Yes, we will not do page 214.
Yeah, 1 minute, 1 minute. 200, this is what, girls? This is 214. We will do it, girls. We'll do it. Question number 8, I will not do. But I'm not writing all this, girls. Just fill up this box and leave it. You're not explaining. You know very well how to explain and everything. Question 9 and question 11 will do. Sorry, question number, this table and question 11 will do. Just do this table for me. If 1 is 3, so 2 is how much?
3, 6.
Okay.
3, 6.
Let us continue tomorrow. We have another class. Get ready for that.